Friends, I am delighted to represent the UN Information Center for India and Bhutan at the Lok Sangeet Sammelan here today. In addition to the International Year of Forests, which this cultural performance celebrates, the International Day of World's Indigenous People is on Tuesday, 9 August. And I can think of no better way to mark the day than with a musical celebration of this unique cultural heritage. As the UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon has pointed out in his message for the day, and I quote, "Indigenous peoples face many challenges in maintaining their identity, traditions and customs, and their cultural contributions are at times exploited and commercialized with little or no recognition. It is up to us to preserve all of these elements, and I am so pleased that we are collaborating with India Habitat Center and the UN Development Program in today's musical event, which is one way of showcasing some little-known aspects of this cultural heritage." The Secretary General further notes, and I quote, "I encourage all member states to take concrete steps to address the challenges facing indigenous peoples, including marginalization, extreme poverty, and loss of lands, territories, and resources. Together, let us celebrate and recognize the stories, cultures, and unique identities of indigenous people around the world. At the same time, let us work to strengthen their rights and support their aspirations."